Welcome to another episode on our channel. Today, we're diving into a feature that's incredibly useful for composing shots with precision, the live view mode on your Canon EOS 2000D. Turn your camera on by moving the power switch to the on position. Press the menu button to enter the camera settings. Navigate through the options using the directional pad until you find the live view function settings. Select live view shooting and set it to enable. This action allows you to use the camera's LCD screen as a viewfinder. Exit the menu by pressing the menu button again. Locate the live view shooting button, typically marked with a camera icon near the LCD screen. Press the live view shooting button. Frame your shot by moving the camera while watching the LCD screen. You can zoom in or out with your lens to adjust the composition as needed. Focus on your subject by half pressing the shutter button. If autofocus is enabled, the camera will automatically focus on the subject. For manual focus, adjust the focus ring on your lens until the image is sharp. Adjust settings such as aperture, shutter speed, and ISO by using the dedicated buttons and dials on your camera. Changes will be visible in real time on the LCD, helping you anticipate how they affect the final image. Once you are satisfied with the composition and settings, fully press the shutter button to take the photo. Review your photo by pressing the playback button. If necessary, make any adjustments and try again. And that's all there is to using live view on the Canon EOS 2000D.